At Gateway Chassis Solutions, we manufacture chassis for the holiday home, caravan, lodge and park home sector. We've developed a sectionally built, bolted together chassis that uses a fastening system, swage and a collar and a special tooling. Being able to do that as well as mean the chassis is lighter but stiffer and offers a better end result. It's all been about value engineering, giving a customer what they want to suit the product.
We supply Gateway chassis with all their small components ranging from nuts and bolts to gloves, hole saws, grinding discs. For these guys, it's point of use. They just go to the vending machine, get what they want and get back on the job 24 hours a day if required. We hold 2 to 3 months worth of stock of every component Gateway uses. So their cycle, it's ups and downs, but we've always got the product 20 minutes away and we can react if need be in an emergency.
The feedback from the shop floor has been really good in the sense of they've got access to the vending machines, they've got access to the Kanban, the stock replenishment is there from when they want it, whereas historically there were situations where there was trips to the purchasing department to understand when and what was coming in. That doesn't happen now, so it saves time for that, and it's efficient in the sense of we turn around and it's at point of use as well, so it's great.